Welcome to Align Trading. Hopefully, everyone is having a good weekend. But taking a look here at Friday's SPY recap and live analysis, and then we will go over what to be watching into Monday and the rest of next week. So, here in the pre market brief for Discord members, I was explaining that you had to pay attention for this cup that was beginning to close. We had talked about it all week, right? Initially, grabbing this liquidity with this 5-day moving average regain. And then, right, we see this blue and yellow controlled selling continuing to work here as we close this cup, right? Again, this blue and yellow, right? We have that inverse head and shoulder that I explained in the morning to be watching for. And as we reach, right, these levels up here, I talked about you have to pay attention to them as we would start to form that blue and yellow algo once again if there was continuation, and we did close the cup. Now, that all changed similar to last Friday with the tariff news, right? We started breaking out of this green algo right here on Friday. Same thing here, as I explained, you have to pay attention if we start to form this head and shoulder and the 5-day moving average that is below right here. You see how we form that head and shoulder, reach the 5-day moving average, and then again, right, form another head and shoulder at that 5-day as we start closing this inverse cup towards the 20. Now we will come back to the 30-minute chart, but now we are going to go over to the 1-minute and take a look at the microstructure and algorithms. So first thing in the morning here, you can see, right, with this bullish move up, we have the blue and yellow controlled selling, right? Have that inverse head and shoulder, same thing, right? This blue is in control, but we are starting to lag out up here in this tapering white algo that we can see, and I explained to be paying attention to. See that beautiful head and shoulder. Now, right, this was news, but if you were in position right there with that structure, some of you were. What a nice move down right there. Didn't even have the chance for this inverse cup and handle to form, giving you that move down as well. But you can see right within this yellow. From there, right, again, we have this green and that white algo for another head and shoulder, another move down, same thing within this white, right? Takes some time. We don't quite form that inverse cup. Same thing, right? You're waiting for this level. And on this third attempt, right, there's that head and shoulder, big candle again, similar to this move right here. It's off of that same algo though, and you can see how we are unable to break out of that blue. So if you were looking for a move back up, right, you need to be clearing this previous resistance, and then from there could have started attacking that liquidity. Now with this move down here as well, this is where the 5-day moving average was, and you can see how again, right, with this white algo, we begin to form a similar structure, right? You can see that head and shoulder starting to form, as well as this inverse cup. And this one actually does give a handle, but still, right, not too much follow through. Pretty choppy as we are still within this blue algo, right? Even with the move down from the top of it, trying to form back with inside of it. And if you were looking for that move up, would have to see us regaining the 5-day, grabbing that shoulder, right? And especially breaking again above this prior resistance, which never formed, so you should not have been long. Now towards the afternoon, you can see how we're starting to taper right here within this algo, as well as this blue. And we finally get that breakout right here, but there is just no continuation. Fell with this inverse head and shoulder, and you can see there's no handle, right? We would have wanted to see that continuation, breaking above, grabbing that liquidity, and then again this same level. And instead, you get that head and shoulder that starts forming right there, right within that yellow. And again, this white continues to work on the way down as we close that inverse cup. And towards the end of the day, even another handle right there, another inverse cup, right? This white algo. So you can see, right, if you were scalping, I personally did not trade into the afternoon, being a Friday with so much action. But you can see, I was explaining before I left, that you have to continue watching that 5-day moving average. If we were to see a bounce, right, you would see that inverse head and shoulder giving you that move back up, right? You can see we have these resistances right here that we could have tested, even if it was a little bit higher, right? Something like that. But you do see that head and shoulder, right? That does form again as we are breaking out of this green algo. That being said, it is now time to go over what to be watching into next week. I want to go to the daily chart here though and talk about something. So in last week's video, I was talking about how you have to pay attention to this algo right here, whether or not we got right this cup close, or if we did find some sort of resistance right here with this algo and being the prior resistance before. And sure enough, right, with that noose gave us that move down again that you can see. So we're still right just in between this range. But you can see with our 5 and 20-day moving average, right, earlier in the week, we regained the 5, got a nice bounce right there with this inverse head and shoulder right there. But with that rejection above and back below the 5-day now, right, this is the third time we have to either watch, do we regain this 5-day, continue the rally, or if we continue to head down below the 20, pay attention to this bottom Bollinger. If we do retest this area down in here, we lose that, then again, right, we are probably going to be making our way down here over the next little bit. You would see something like that forming. That being said, here on the 30-minute chart, being below the 5-day, we must regain this if there is a move back up. Otherwise, you can see how we're turning this into resistance right here with this head and shoulder. Watch that 5-day become resistance as well. Right, you can see that inverse cup down to it. Have a few levels on the way down here, but eventually it would want to see us close this larger inverse cup right here before continuing. Now, if this is once again bought up, right, you can see how we still have this cup to close right here. We would have to see, right, with this yellow and blue, some sort of breakout, and then we could look for that level to close. But, right, paying very close attention to that 20, we have all of this liquidity right here, and see how easy, right, we headed down off of that. Same thing right here, pay attention. Zooming out even further, essentially, right, you can just see the massive range that we have been in. Just have to be going level by level, scalping both ways, right? Breaking out of this green algo right here, right, on that last Friday with the gap down. Once again, this same green algo right there, another move down, and then we have this green algo again. Do we see a gap down into Monday, or do they give us a chance to actually participate in it or get a bounce? We will see, but this is what you have to be paying attention to. And if there is a breakout of the bottom of this range, right, you can see how we grabbed that liquidity right here. Below that, though, what do we have? We have this gap, so pay attention. We do also have some news next week with Powell and CPI and PPI, so pay attention to those. But other than that, that is all I have for the video. So thank you everyone for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see members in the morning.